Do you remember what beat is all about? Well, the response of your body to a song represents its beat. Beat is the regular repetition of pulses that you can observe in music. It is the heartbeat of any musical composition. You respond to a song according to the beats you hear. You may snap your fingers, tap your lap, clap your hands, stomp your feet, among others. The faster the beats, the faster you snap your fingers. You snap them slow when the beats are slow. Music is composed of different notes and rests to represent sound and silence. These notes and rests are placed on the staff, a musical symbol that is composed of 5 lines and 4 spaces. The notes and rests express movements in music. This movement makes the music to be felt, heard, and observed. It is what we know as rhythm. What then is rhythm? Rhythm is made up of regular repeated patterns of movement or sounds. It is also a systematic arrangement of sounds, primarily according to duration and periodical stress. But how are beats and rhythm formed in a song? What musical symbols are responsible for them? Let us have first the musical symbol note. Notes are used to represent sounds. The musicians use them to identify the tone and duration of sounds. Each note has specific time values or the number of beats to receive. The flow of the notes forms a pattern that can be observed. This pattern, called the beat, is regularly heard and felt, which makes up the rhythm of any song. On your screen is the note family tree. This shows the relationship between and among the notes and their equivalents. This is a whole note. When you divide it into 2, you will have a half note. A half of it is a quarter note. When divided by 2, an eighth note is the equivalent. And a half of an eighth note is a 16th note. In any music score, you will notice the notes that are used in it. Some use inverted notes. They are the notes written upturned or upside down to avoid placing most of their parts outside the staff. Look at the inverted images of half note, quarter note, and eighth note. They are placed on the third line of the staff or above, as seen in the examples below. In some cases, the build notes are used in music score. They are used to group notes with flag or hook, such as the 8th and 16th notes. Two eighth notes that are grouped together are called beamed eighth notes. They are equivalent to one quarter note. Four 16th notes that are grouped together are called beamed 16th notes. They are also the same as a quarter note. Let us have the next musical symbol. Res represents silence in music. The musicians let them identify the duration of silence in any song to be played or sung. Notice the res family tree. This shows the relationship between and among the rests and their equivalents. This is a whole rest. When you divide it into two, you will have a half rest. A half of it is a quarter rest. When divided it into two, an eighth rest is the equivalent. And the half of an eighth rest is a 16th rest. A dotted note can also be used in a music score. It is a note that has a dot after it. A dot in the note means that you will add up one half of the preceding note value to its original time value. It is the same as any dotted rest.